Oh. Um, Let me make sure it's there as 100. Yeah.
One more exhibits allowed. And even 100, you gotta stop.
I know, right? Like I was a little forlorn that we didn't quite get to 100. Now we're there.
All right.
Please be seated. Okay. We are back on the record in matter CV 2026-029802. Council are present. Council, are we ready to resume?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. I will note that Ms. Olivia Fierros is at the table with me. She's not appearing as counsel, but she's helping me with the witnesses. My associate has had to run back to the office, but if that's acceptable.
Okay, no problem. We have 3 witnesses on the line: Alexa Bloom, Elias Sanchez, and Marseille Wright.
And terrific. Glad we'll have some work then. I have replaced in Case Center Exhibit 98. That's the special master report.
Yeah,
and put it under.
Just tried the link and it didn't work.
Oh,
Says connection error. I print screened the message I got, but then left it on my desk.
and is that the
That's the new one. The old one didn't work at all.
oh, well, that's inauspicious. So perhaps we can file the full exhibit, or we could rely on Exhibit 99, which is exactly what was attached to the report.
Your Honor, the committee does not object to relying on 99 in place of the attachment to the special master's report. We know that it's the same document.
Okay.
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay. Then we'll just rely on 99 since we seem to have an issue uploading the links.
Yeah, I apologize. I've done all the tricks I know how to do, and apparently can't get the link to work.
No problem. I mean, there's always an issue with links because if they expire before the appellate court gets to it anyway, then it's not there for their review.
Yeah.
So
one more exhibit issue. We've marked a new Exhibit 100, which we'll talk about in due course with one of the witnesses.
okay.
And I think that's all for preliminaries.
Okay. And which witness did we want to begin?
Let's begin with Alexa.
Bloom.
Yes, please.
Okay, Ms. Bloom, you've been admitted to this hearing. You're on mute. If you could remove yourself from mute and then tell me whether or not you can hear me okay?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I can. Can you please state your full name for the record?
Alexa Bloom.
And your last name is spelled B-L-O-O-M?
Yes.
Okay, can you raise your right hand to be sworn in, please?
Yes.
You do solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do. Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Ms. Bloom. My name is Corey Langhofer. I'm one of the lawyers in the case. You're the first witness the judge is hearing from who's not a circulator. Could you explain to the court what your involvement is in the campaign?
I'm an ESA parent.
And I understand that you were involved in some video recordings during the campaign. Is that correct?
That is correct.
The judge has already seen Exhibit 93, which is a video filmed outside the Burton Bar Library. Are you the individual who recorded that film?
Yes. Yes.
And he's heard from me, but he hasn't heard from someone who's under oath. What was the date of that recording, if you recall it?
That was March 30th.
And I understand that you have a second video that you took of Circulator Tyrone Crispell. Is that correct?
Yes.
When and where was that recorded?
That was June 6th.
Okay. So the video that's been marked for identification as Exhibit 100 is, well, why don't you tell the court what happened? We'll get to the video in a minute, but tell us about this interaction with Tyrone Crispell on June 6th.
On June 6th, I was going into Fan Fusion, downtown Phoenix, and I saw a lot of signature gatherers. So I turned on my phone to record. And on my way into the convention, he came from the side and approached me and asked if I would sign his petition. And I said, "What is it?" And he said the same thing he said to me the first time, which was it was to help low-income students get money for college.
Okay. And how recently have you viewed a copy of this footage that you took?
I just found it again, so I just viewed it again.
As in like today?
Yes. Mhm.
Okay. And the footage that you reviewed, what's been marked as Exhibit 100, does that fairly and accurately reflect what actually happened that day?
I don't have access to what you're saying is, I'm not sure what you're referring to.
Well, yeah, so I was hoping to avoid some of the difficulties here, but perhaps, Your Honor, I could show her Exhibit 100 and she could authenticate that as in fact the video that she took.
Okay, but are you connected to Teams?
Oh, sorry.
I can be, Your Honor.
Okay, the only way for her to see it is if we play it through Teams.
Okay. In that case, I will connect to Teams right now.
Or are you aware of another way?
Because when it's connected there, I can do it from here.
Okay. And you said Exhibit 100?
Yes, Your Honor.
So it's not the exhibit that was admitted during Mr. Crispell's testimony?
Correct, a different exhibit.
Okay.
Oh, that's me. In that case, let me pull it up. All right, ma'am, can you see my computer screen?
Yes.
All right, and let me expand this. And looks like this is 2.5 minutes long. I'll just play it for you. So the record's clear, please don't speak while the video is playing.
Hey. What is it? To help low-income students receive funding go to college. Establish disabled students receive funding as well to receive like bachelor's and EFA vouchers.